Okay, this is me walking out my front door. There's the sun on the horizon just over the trees, I don't know, 10 degrees or so. Okay? And this is important, so pay attention here. Now I'm going to switch it over to a compass. Okay? Now I have it on compass. Now I'm walking toward the sun, straight toward the sun. Okay? So it's between about 75 and 80. In fact, let me show you where I just came from. I'm closer to the sun. I just walked straight down there toward the sun. Okay, now my point in this is I live at 30 degrees north latitude on the coast of Florida. Now, go to an AE map and see where the sun would rise from that location. It's too much of a coincidence that it works perfect on an AE map. So I'm going to show you why. This is for the three-dimensionally challenged ballers. Sometimes you got to draw it out for them, which is what I'm going to do. Now that red angle represents where I live, where them two red lines meets where I live, like I said. Okay, now right now the sun is over the Tropic of Cancer. I have it going to the equator. I have it based on a circling sun of about 24,000 miles. I have it based on the sun rising around 6,200 miles away, giving a viewing radius of a little over half of the Earth's circumference. Circle, whatever you want to call it. So, put that line over the Tropic of Cancer and you get exactly what my compass said. And it works everywhere. Now, a sun that's 6,200 miles away, look at this little drawing. If you move it over to the right 100 miles, that is not even moving it, not even 1 degree. It's 0.016 radians. So let's be honest here. Not only that, where I have the sun, if you're looking to the right of the circle, as the sun rises, it's going to offset by moving over to the left naturally. I had to draw it on paper so people understand. Look at that angle. As the sun rises on the horizon, it moves closer to the center. And it's the opposite as it goes away from you. So if somebody could show me on Earth the sun getting closer and going down, then you could sell your ball. But look, as the sun moves 1,200 miles closer to me, okay, 5,000 miles away, move it over 300 miles to the right, and that's only 0.06 radians. So that's, you see the radians getting less, okay, and that's still less than 4 degrees. So the sun is not going to be moving out with that circle. If anything, it's going to be moving in a little bit.